video, and today we gonna put on some extensions. We gonna put on some extensions. We gonna put on some extensions. We gonna put on some. This is the first time I've ever done extensions on myself. I am a lash tech, but I've never done this on myself. And the way that I'm just gonna say this before I get started. The way I do my extensions, I would never do this on a client. I just want to make sure that's clear. I'm trying to figure out what lashes I want to use. The lashes that I'm going to use is Beyond Beauty today. I got these from Amazon. I usually use Viva lashes on a client, or I have a lady from Kingdom Lashes who also make me handmade lashes. I'm going to be cleaning my lashes with the eyelash cleansing solution. Lash fan is not charged, so I'm going to be using my lash little pump or fan or whatever you want to call it. It's not a fan, but it's like a blower. Put it like that to dry your lashes. It came in my kit when I got certified, so I'm gonna be using this on myself today. I'm not gonna be using professional lash glue on my eyes, y'all, because your lashes have to be shut the whole time when you use professional eyelash glue. And I'm not taking that risk because I'm doing this on myself. It's way different from doing, you know, a client. So I'm going to be using Sassy eyelash glue in dark. You can get this from a beauty supply store. I'm going to say this, not knock anybody, but you would never hear or see me say to use hair glue. Since I've been doing my lashes, I've never done that. I just don't believe in that. Now this, it actually, when you get this, y'all, it looks like hair glue. It also smells like it too. But of course, they put different ingredients or whatever in this for your lashes. I'm gonna, of course, use glue rings, and what I do, I just put it on my finger. And I actually, y'all, this, like I said, this is my first time doing extensions on me. And I watch Jada Jonette. My mirror is right here in front of me. So if I look to the side, then that's what I'm doing. I'm not going to put a pad on my eye. I got my tweezers. Because what I want to do is, I don't like for my inner corners to be long, so I'm gonna start off long and then short. I'm gonna do 13 and 14. Let me stop playing and get this together. Yeah, I'm going to be using a spoolie, of course. Again, y'all, I am a lash tech, so I keep it on deck. Okay, y'all, I'm so sorry. Right here, I realized that y'all couldn't even see me putting them on. But what I'm doing right here, I'm putting them underneath my eyelashes, like on my lash line. So, yeah, I apologize. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna come back when it's done and show y'all the end results. I'm gonna put probably a little more over here, but y'all get the concept. It's very easy. I'm putting them under my eyes to make them look more natural. See, look more natural like that. But I want them a little more full over here, so before I get started on this, I could have went back and forth, but I just want to make sure I wasn't poking myself in the eye or whatever, because like I said, it's different when you're doing your lash clients and yourself. So I'll be back. Hi y'all, I'm back. I'm done with the lash extensions and I'm feeling myself. Let's get into it. I'm loving it. I am.
Yes, it's me.
It took me a while, y'all, but I made it. I will be doing this again. I can only get better, y'all. It took me a few hours, but I'm gonna keep on practicing on myself to lower my time too, because if I practice on myself but lower my time, I do the same with my clients. And we're gonna end this video. Like, comment, and let me know how you liking them. If you done it before, any tips, like any glue, if you have any certain products that you use, let me know what y'all guys do. So yeah. As y'all can tell, y'all, I ain't even got nothing to say. I'm just feeling myself. I really am. So I'll see y'all next video. Bye.